vlog. It's Sunday morning. I usually don't vlog on the weekends or really work on the weekends, but I have a really busy week coming up, so I am working on some things, and one of those things are these bird stickers. I want to test out my first stickers I made from home on my sketchbook. And these ones are ones I can't sell because I did an amateur mistake and printed on the back, like on the wrong side of the sticker paper. So I can't sell these. But let's go ahead and test this one on my sketchbook here. Here we go. Yeah, it seems to be doing okay. Seems to be on there very well. Okay, that's exciting. Let's try this one. So I don't have a Cricut, unfortunately, so I have to hand cut these stickers out, and good thing I have stickers that I kind of messed up on because I can practice. But I think that once I sell more stickers and make more stickers, I'll invest in a Cricut. But oh, and in case you're wondering, this sticker is from Bethany Joy. She, with her orders, she gives out free stickers. And then on the back, I have 2 stickers from my friend Liz. And yeah, so just in case you're wondering. Okay, so in case you're wondering what sticker paper I'm using, the first one I tried out is this glossy paper, and that one is this paper here. And I can link it in the description for you. I bought it on Amazon, so it's on Amazon. And I think it's waterproof too, so that's kind of cool. And so I thought I would try out that one. And then I also got this vinyl sticker paper. So it's not glossy, as you can see. It's really smooth. And that one is this paper. I was at Joann Fabrics and I saw the sticker paper, and I thought that I would give it a try too. It's not waterproof, but it seems like it's good quality. So yeah, all I did was I bought the sticker paper. I printed these in my inkjet printer, which, to be honest, is not the best printer, so I'm not going to recommend it or anything. I'm actually wanting to buy a better printer here soon that I can actually print like art prints with, so like a fine art printer. So I just printed these with my inkjet printer, and now I'm going to cut them out, and hopefully they turn out okay. If not, then I will be doing round stickers from now on. So, but let's just see how they turn out. Okay, so I have 4 sets cut out now, and I've only been cutting a page and a half, and my hands already hurt. So I'm going to take a break and show you guys how I'm going to package these stickers. So I made these backing cards. They just say Watercolor Birds sticker pack in my website. And I just printed these on cardstock. with my inkjet printer, and I also bought these eco bags. So they're biodegradable clear sleeves. So I bought these for the stickers, and I got them from clearbags.com. And I also got 5x7 ones too. I really want to try to be more eco-friendly with my business because it's really important to me to use less plastic. I try my best to use less plastic in my personal life, but with my business too, I want to try to use less plastic. So yeah, I got these from Clearbags. They also sent this with the order, but yeah, clearbags.com. I hope these fit. They fit! Oh, I'm so excited. Look guys, this is my very first sticker pack ever. Hey guys, it is Monday and I just finished day 65 of the 100-day challenge. For 100 days, I am painting 100 watercolor paintings, and this is day 65, and I really like it. I am very happy how it turned out. I like the colors and like the flow of it. So now that I have day 65 completely finished, I can now photograph days 46 through 65 for my shop because I have a shop update on Friday. So we are going to photograph 20 watercolor paintings for my shop, and then I am going to film a YouTube video showing those 20 paintings because if you have been a subscriber of mine for some time, you know that I have been updating you guys every few weeks on the challenge. So I make a video about the challenge and show you all of the watercolor paintings I painted. And so we are going to film that video. But first, I'm going to photograph all 20 paintings. Oh, hey. guys, we are ready to film this video. Guys, it's Wednesday and I am painting day 66 of the 100 Days of Watercolor Challenge, and I am kind of painting like an abstract plant. Well, it's more like a plant but with abstract elements. I didn't vlog yesterday because I was barely home. On Monday night I stayed at an Airbnb with my sisters-in-law, and we had like a girls' night. And so I didn't get home until about 11 a.m. the next day. And then I had to leave at 2:30. Gosh, I don't know if oh my gosh, I just messed up my plant right here. Alright, so I had to leave again at 2:30 to help out at an art class for kids. So I only had a few hours to work, and so I just ended up editing a YouTube video, which is the YouTube video we filmed together on Monday. So I finished that video up and got it scheduled for tomorrow. Okay, so right now I am adding some gold leaves to this. I'm almost done. Okay, so now I'm going to add some fun little gold splatters. Hopefully I don't mess up. Okay, here we go. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Alright, I think I am done. I think I'm all done. For the gold, I'm using this Art Philosophy metallic accents pan set, and it has gold, and also has like a light gold color that's really pretty too. I'll show you the finished piece. Friday is a big day for Allison Lyon Art because I'll not only have a shop update, but I will also be having my second annual spring cleaning sale. So I have so many paintings, so many oil paintings that will be like 25 to 75% off, so I can make more room for new art. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the paintings that I think will be part of the sale. So all of these paintings will be on sale on Friday through the weekend. And so I need to, so what I have done is that I'm laying out all of the paintings that will be on sale so that I can like take inventory and decide how much I want to discount each painting. So that's what I'm going to be doing next today. And I also have all of these from my 30-day painting challenge I did in September. So all of these will also be on sale too. And these ones, and these were also part of the 30-day challenge, these little square paintings. And this was actually my very first flower painting, so it's kind of special in a way, but I really would like to find a home for it. I painted this almost, I think a year ago, or a little over a year ago. And I also have these paintings. These sky paintings are like a year and a half old. So I really would like to find homes for them. And I also have this one here. It's actually one of my favorite paintings I've painted. And then I have these two. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out how much I want to discount each painting, and then I'm going to make listings for them in my shop on my website. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go because the rest of the day I'm just doing computer work, like my shop update and editing photos for my shop, and creating listings for all of these paintings that will be part of my spring cleaning sale. So I'm gonna let you go, but thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're at all interested in any of my art, you can head on over to my shop on Friday. But actually, I think this vlog will be uploaded on Friday. So today is the day that is my spring cleaning sale and my shop update for the watercolor challenge. So you can find the link to my shop in the description of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you so much. I appreciate every single comment, every single like, all of the orders, and I just appreciate you guys so much. And like anything you do to support my art business means so much to me, even if it's just a like. So thank you so much for your support, and I really hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next week. Bye.